In this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you how you can verify your age without the use of a government ID. So to be able to do this, the first thing we need to do is head over to Roblox. And then once we open up Roblox, we want to click on More in the bottom right-hand corner. From here, you now need to scroll down until you see the option for Settings, and then select Account Info. Once we click on Account Info, if we head down to Verify My Age, what you'll now see is it will say that you need to prepare a valid ID. So what we need to do is we need to go back to the main More page, and then from here you need to scroll down until you see the option for Help and Safety. Select this, click on Help, and then from here you now want to go to Search Our Articles and just simply search for verification. Once you search for verification, you can click on the top one, ID verification. You can read through this if you want to do that. If not, you want to scroll down until you see the option for Need More Help, Contact Support here. Click on this link. That will then bring you over to this page. You now want to enter out your information, so the username of your account, your first name, your email address associated with your Roblox account, and then you also then want to go down to the issue details. You want to select age-based settings and accounts with parental privileges, and then you want to go down to where it says please describe your issue and put something really simple like this. So you just want to explain to Roblox support that you are unable and you're having problems with verifying your account on the Roblox app without a valid ID. So you just want to put something like I've put in this box right here. Once you have done that, you can then select continue. Once you click on continue, then Roblox will get in touch with you via email to help you verify your account without an ID. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can verify your Roblox account without a valid government ID.